My name is Deriga. I study art and design faculty in the University, Kazakhstan, and I have finished my first year of foundation here. And also I got an opportunity of internship in Salem social media. I found out about this internship position through the Telegram channel of our university. They post a great deal of different internship opportunities, so I just sent my CV and my portfolio to Salem. In Salem, I got opportunities to work on the covers of social media. I was using mostly Photoshop and was working on my computer. Also, I got an opportunity to immerse myself in the creative process of creating movie posters. And moreover, I created a pack of stickers for them. Yes, I definitely used a great deal of knowledge from my courses. I used theoretical knowledge as well as practical. For example, like finding references online, reflecting upon them, and etc. Well, I think that it is important to complete the internships in the first year because you get an irreplaceable experience that shows you how your major works in the real world. Like you can see what kind of work you have to do in the workplace, what kind of things they will require from you. Also, it is a great opportunity for networking. I got an opportunity to meet a whole different amazing people there, actors, directors, and also enhancing your resume is key. It is crucial that you have a good portfolio that shows that you are really interested in what you're doing. Try to actively use the opportunities that university gives you. So be persistent in your internship offers. Don't react much to the rejections. Everyone gets them, it's fine. Just work your way towards the things that you're really interested in. And once you find the internship, like research the companies and try to identify the main areas of interest. Like, do you want to work on brand marketing or maybe want to work on brand identity? So just figure out what you're interested in and work your way towards it. Yes, of course, I'm happy. It was an amazing opportunity and it's my first internship ever. So like getting into Salem was definitely mind-blowing a little bit.